everybody, it's Mary Beth from My Fearless Kitchen. Thanks for being with us here today. This is my son Joseph. We are headed up to the Children's Museum in Indianapolis today. It's been kind of a crazy weekend. We got like 7 inches of rain in the last 2 days, so we were unable to get back to our house yesterday. We're fine, the house is fine, the farm and all the animals are fine, but there was about 3 foot of water in our driveway, so we spent the night with my in-laws last night. Today in the newsletter, I've got some really good stuff for you. We've got slow cooker Bacon-Ranch Meatballs. They are absolutely delicious. We love them, but you'll definitely want to click through to the article to see what Joseph's response was when I tried to feed him the meatballs one evening. Well, he likes them. He just doesn't know that he likes them. To stick with that ranch theme, we've got some easy ranch pretzels, super quick, super easy after school snack. And because we're getting into fall and it's not so easy to find fresh herbs anymore, I've got an easy printable with some tips on how to swap out dried herbs for fresh herbs in your cooking. So hope you enjoy. Thanks for being with us, and we'll see you soon. Bye.